In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use this financial calculator to get the results of some calculations that you see on the lecture slides for lesson 4. In last video, I showed you how to do the future value calculation. Now let's try the present value. So in slide number 17, to calculate the present value of $100 in 3 years, when the interest rate is 10%, we go 100. Now it's the future value, 3 years, 10%, compute PV. So the result is $75.13. Next calculation is to get the number of years. If in this example, if you want your investment to double when the interest rate is 20%, how long would it take? How many years would it take? So you may want to go seconds, clear work. Remember, erase all your results, okay, and data. And now 1 negative as your present value. That's when you invest $1 and hope to get $2 back. And you see between PV and FV, one number is negative, okay, and 20% interest rate, what is N? 3.8 years. Okay, next calculation is for the interest rate. Again, if you want your investment to double, but now in 3 years, what kind of return do you have to get every year so that your investment can double? I go second, quit, clear the data, -1 present value, +2 future value, and that has to be done in 3 years. So let's compute for IY. 25.99% rate of return to make sure that your investment can double in 3 years. Next calculation is about annuity. And if we want to calculate the future value of a 3-year annuity when each payment is $100, first clear previous work. Now $100 payment, 3 years or 3 payments, interest rate 10%. We can also go 0 PV because there's no additional lump sum money at the beginning. And then we compute for future value. To calculate the present value, very similar. $100 payment, 3 and 10 IY. You can put 0 as FV and compute for PV. Okay. In the lecture, we talked about how to calculate the present value and future value of an annuity due in this calculator. We want to change the setting of the calculator from end mode to beginning mode for annuity dues. To do that, you go second, begin, and to reset, you go second, enter. Now when you see on the right upper corner there are 3 tiny letters that say BGN, that is your calculator telling you that it's now at the beginning mode and ready for your calculation for the annuity dues. Now second, quit, and let's start. $100 payment, 0 future value, 3 years, 10%, compute present value 273. And this result is different from the result you got under the beginning mode. And if we clear this, we can go 100 payment, 3 years, 10%, 0 PV, and compute for future value. Remember, the future value for the ordinary annuity was 331, and here for the annuity due is 364.